specifically in one place, Whitefield Metro Wholesale. If you can there, and I'll put the address in the link below. So let's come on, let's go and see what is that to eat. Guys, when you approach the shop itself, it's very nice to smell. So let's go see what is that. Excuse me, master. Excuse me, guys, the menu. Wow, just look at the menu card, everybody. I'll read what is that. See here, there's another version of the menu right here. There's classic sarma roll, hot garlic sarma roll, sweet chili sarma roll, and all the others. You can even get sandwiches, burgers, longs, and pizzas, plates. You can get everything here. Now I'll go and see what is that. Okay. I want the classic sarma roll first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come on, guys, and let's go and see how they make it. Okay, guys, now I'm in the shop itself, and let's ask the master how is he doing it. Excuse me, master, how are you doing it?
It's very simple.
Yeah.
First, you have to take chicken
Yeah. Okay.
and then mix with mayonnaise.
Okay.
You ask the
Yeah.
traffic shawarma.
Yeah.
So, then cabbage.
Cabbage.
Chicken, mayonnaise, cabbage.
Yeah.
These 3 items are both mixed with
Yeah.
mayonnaise.
Oh.
Okay. That's all. This is traffic shawarma. If you want any varieties, we will give masala.
Oh.
And we have sauces.
Now, how do you get this masalas?
Masalas we prepare by one.
Your own?
Oh, yeah, one.
Yeah. Okay. Now, guys, it looks very tasty. So let's wait and see what he is doing. You can just look at the effort for a second. He's doing so good of a job. Wow. You guys are not here, but the smell is amazing. Like literally so amazing. See at him. He's roasting the cuckoos. The cuckoo smell are the most best thing in the world. Like I don't know why, but I like it so much. See how is he putting the chicken and the cabbage in. The special recipe. Today I am going to be eating every single Look at him how is he rolling it. He's packaging it very nicely. Okay guys, now the sarma roll is ready. Now let's get to tasting it. He gave me a napkin and butter seed roll sarma roll. Let's unbox it. Look at it. it in all its glory. Now let's go and taste it. Mmm, so nice. The cookies are very soft. It is very nice. The chicken and the cabbage and the mustard combination is very nice. Now let's ask another one. Excuse me, where is another variety of sarma roll? What is the soft special variety of sarma roll?
Soft special, we have many varieties, but you can try peri-peri, Mexican, BBQ is very movable.
That means I'll
Peri-peri
take
is
a.
also very moving.
That means I'll take a peri peri sarma roll. So now okay guys, now he is making the peri peri sarma roll, the shop specialty. It's the most tastiest sarma roll in the shop.
Masala,
So that is the masala they make by their own
peri-peri masala.
peri peri masalas.
It seems very messy.
So now he is mixing it. Now he is going to give us the peri peri sarma roll. Let's see how it is. Wow. So let's put the cover down. Mmm. This is amazing. That's why the peri sarma roll is so special. It's a little spicy but not too much spicy. The spice brings out a lot of taste. It's so nice. The combination of the chicken is perfect for it. Perfect combination. If you just look at it, you can look at how much flavor there is. Cook is very soft also. Yeah, really the cook is very soft. It's like if you bite it, you don't need to pull it out or something like that. It just come off itself. It's very nice. What can we get in veg in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get veg burger, veg finger,
Yeah.
French fries, masala fries, Mexican fries,
Okay.
peri-peri fries.
Okay guys, I already ate 2 rolls. So in veg I'm just going to add order starters. Okay? So I'll get 1 veg fingers and chicken nuggets and French fries.
French fries.
Yeah. Okay. And there is veg burger and sandwich, but I'll try it another time. Okay? So that's just because I can't eat that much, and I also drink a milkshake and a mojito. And if you guys want, you can come here and just get some veg rolls, because there is also veg rolls, just not chicken. Okay? Now they're preparing a veg sarma roll for another customer. Let's go and see how they make that. Excuse me, master.
Yeah.
How do you make this paneer sarma roll? What is the sarma roll?
This is paneer, this is cabbage, and this is onion.
Oh, How do you make
We
it?
use these 3 items for veg shawarma.
Okay.
After that, we use mayonnaise. This is veg mayonnaise, eggless mayonnaise.
Oh.
Pure
So
veg.
guys, do you heard that
This is a pure
if you
veg.
are a vegetarian, you can also order with no mayonnaise
And this is-
afraidness because it's veg and non-veg also.
And this is
So you
peri
can
peri
enjoy
masala.
your roll in peace. So guys, I'm not going to eat it. It's already for another customer because I don't want to eat it because I will. And later on the video, I'm going to drink half milkshake and half mojitos. So I can't eat much more. But so master.
Yes.
So now they prepare the veg fingers, the chicken nuggets and the french fries, and they put in a masala, kind of masala on the french fries. I don't know what masala it is, but let's just ask it. Excuse me, master. What masala did you put on this french fries?
Peri peri fries.
Oh, the one you put it on the roll or another one?
This is peri peri fries. We add peri peri masala.
Oh, okay. So now let's taste it. If you want, you can ask mayonnaise also, they will give you. So let's just eat the french fries first. Masala french fries. Wow. The fries are different though. They're extra soft. And the masalas, the taste is, the masala brings out a really good taste. It's very nice. It's a little spicy but good. It's very good. The spice brings out a lot of taste. Lot of taste. Now I'm going to taste the veg fingers. I'll take a little one first. It's very hard, but it's very nice because of the climate out here. If you guys take a close look, you can see what and all they put it in here. Some cat. It's really nice. It's also so crispy. See this. Now I'm going to taste the chicken nuggets. Let's try this one first. You guys can see how it is the shape of a little bat like this, okay. Now let's just taste it. You guys can hear the crispiness. See the soft chicken inside there. It's so crispy. Wow, it's so crispy. The most crispiest thing in the world. Like so crispy, so crispy. How many varieties are there in the milkshake?
Milkshake, chocolate milkshake, Oreo milkshake, orange milkshake, strawberry milkshake.
I want chocolate milkshake.
Okay, mojito.
There are also mojitos.
Yeah, mojito.
What are mojitos
Orange,
like?
lemon, mint, strawberry.
Okay, I'll take lemon mint.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay. Now guys, I ordered half this chocolate milkshake and half lemon mint mojito. Okay. Now because I added half because I can't eat more because my stomach is already full. So let's just wait and see if it comes.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you, master. Everybody, I got the chocolate milkshake now. Now I'll taste how it is. It's very chocolate-like. It's not like normal chocolate milkshake. like a different chocolate kind. It's like, yeah, cocoa flavors. Oh, okay. Now we got the mojito, lemon and mint mojito. Excuse me, master.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of mojito?
Mojito means it is non-alcohol drink.
Okay. Hey, let's just see how it is. Guys can really taste that mint flavor. It's like very nice with the flavor of the lemons. You guys just come and see it. 1 second, they give me like a cup like thing. Open it. See it. They put a pieces of mint and a piece of lemon. So the mojito is nice. The milkshake is nice. But the mojito, in my opinions, don't go the mojito because it's not good for kids and everybody. My opinion is to go with milkshakes. But this rule only goes for kids because mojitos are not good for kids. Adults, you can take it, but kids, you should not. I drink it because I just drink a little sip. Okay, so that doesn't matter. It's just a little sip. Okay, guys. So okay, guys, I'm done with that video is done. The shop owner gave us a code. It will reduce 24% in all your bills. Now the code is DMART9976. After watching this video, if you come and give this code and buy something, they will automatically reduce 24% of the bill. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe and like.